Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my review of this budget Balisong. This is a GoFlipping brand Balisong. This was $18. We are in my storage room, by the way. It's not finished yet. But currently I have some air guns and some Filipino weapons in this room. But here's a close-up for you. Yeah, so this was $18. It's got stainless steel handles. It has a spring-loaded latch. These traditional handles, with the holes like that, reminds me very much of Balisongs that were around when I was a kid back in the 1980s. They didn't say what the steel was, except that it's stainless steel. So the steel of this blade, it's probably 440 or 420, something like that, right? Because this was only $18. Now, this is a budget Balisong. You're probably wondering how this flips. Is it usable? I'd say yes, it is flippable, right? It's a budget Balisong, sure. It's heavy, a bit clunky, but absolutely flippable. All right, these are my two favorite beginner combos that I'm learning right now. That was one. I just recently got back into Balisongs, so I'm learning some basic combos. My favorite combo right now, it's a beginner combo, but I like it. It's a 3-move combo. Ready? Okay. So basically, it's just that standard wrist pass opening, and you spin it on this finger and spin it on that finger. You know what I'm saying? Oop. Gotta get smoother.